Alright guys, what is up? Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike and this is Meet Mike. If it's your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, drop a comment. If you're returning and you're already subscribed, thanks for returning. Thanks for coming back. We got some good content for you today. We're going to show you guys how to make a YouTube banner that's responsive across all of your devices. So you want your YouTube banner to look the same on your PC, on your tablet, on your cell phone, on your laptop. You want your channel art to remain the same on all devices. So we're going to show you how to do that today. It's pretty simple to do, pretty easy. We're just going to jump right into it. You can see here, Meet Mike. My banner is responsive across all devices. So I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy way how to do it. So first thing you want to do, you want to go to Google. And YouTube banners are 2560 by 1440, okay? 2560 by 1440 YouTube banner, okay? That's the first step, okay? Second step, filter by images, and then you just pick any one of these, okay? Pretty much any one of these. This one, this one, this one, any one of these, because here's what you're going to do. 2560 by 1440, you want to save the image. Go ahead and save it into downloads. You can name it whatever you want to name it because we're only going to use it briefly. Then the next thing you're going to do, you want to go over to canva.com, okay? canva.com. Then when you get there, create an account if you don't have one. It's free to create. You can sign up for the paid one as well. I have a pro version and it's amazing. This tool is fantastic. So again, it doesn't cost any money to sign up and you can use it all you want. They just have extras that you can use if you want to pay extra. So create a design and you can custom design if you want, 2560 by 1440, or you can jump into the search bar here and type in YouTube channel art. And then as you can see, 2560 by 1440, either way works. Okay, so once you get in here, you're going to want to grab that banner that you downloaded a second ago, and you're going to want to upload it into Canva right there. Okay, open it up, put it in there. Okay, and stretch it because this is basically what your banner is going to be. So your channel art is 2560 by 1440, but to make it responsive across all devices, you have to fit everything inside of this. Okay, everything has to fit in here. So you can change this, make it whatever you want. So let's go here. Let's give some examples here. So rectangle, rectangle, and then rectangles will pop up. You take this one and you stretch it. Okay, stretch it, bring it down, and then line it up with the template that's already there. So that's basically what we did. We went to Google and we found templates essentially, and you bring in the size that you need into Canva, and then you basically alter the template to your own liking, customize it. So that's pretty much it. You can take this, the whole thing, make the whole thing a picture, nature, whatever you want to do, nature, and then so make sure this is in the front though, so bring forward, that one's in the back. And this tool is incredible, you guys. You can literally do anything you want on this tool. This tool is a background remover. If you want to bring, like I was messing around with Joe Biden, you can bring Joe Biden in here. You can hit edit, background remove, and it'll just erase the background and you'll just have Joe Biden. It's pretty cool tool. Boom. Joe Biden. But pretty simple, pretty easy to do, and then you just add what you want in here, but everything has to fit inside this rectangle, okay? And then it will be responsive. They call that being responsive across all of your devices. Your laptop, your PC, your cell phone, your tablet. This banner, your YouTube banner, your channel art, will look the same across all devices if you do it as I'm telling you to do it. So whatever you want to be put right here. You can put some text right there, whatever you want your channel to be called. Meet Mike, that's me. And then it took me a little bit of time. It takes time to play with it, and however you want to do it, you can change it to that. And then I added like a little coffee cup, and then you can go photos, coffee cup, and then PNG, because PNGs are basically like the Joe Biden photo without the background. So that's what you want. So see how they all popped up? This is basically coffee cups without a background to them. So if you type in PNG, that's what you get. And then you can find cool little pics to put on your YouTube banner. But remember, keep in mind, everything fitting inside this. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Once you get it to where you get it, you want to download it. That's it. PNG, keep it as a PNG, download it. Maybe I'll change the banner I'm on just to show you. Oh yeah, upload, smaller file size, open, and there you go. So look, viewable on TV, same. Viewable on desktop, same. Viewable on all devices, same. It doesn't change. And that's how you do it, guys. Follow that quick, easy process. That's it. I hope you guys like the content. Again, thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. YouTube makes it really hard for new channels to get going, so it will mean the world to me, and it will give me some motivation to do some more videos, because these videos take a long time, literally without any return. It's just, value for value. So if you got value from this, smash that subscribe button, throw the value back at me, and I love you forever. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.